With all this talk of smoke in the sky the last couple of days, when I saw this picture in the inbox, I thought, oh my goodness, what are we looking at here? But come to find out, this gentleman by the name of Steve was just doing a little hiking up high in the Sandia, and this picture was actually taken about a week ago when we had those clouds and showers moving through the area. Made for a very dramatic picture here, and fortunately, we're not seeing much like that out there right now. What has happened, the winds have come in, and it's really just got to scoured out all of that moisture. And speaking of which, you can see the wind still fairly strong now across central and eastern parts of the state. Now, there are a couple of bullseye locations here where the winds are coming fast and furious. One would be between Las Vegas and Raton, the other up around Clayton, where it was windiest yesterday, and then also as you get down here towards the Guadalupe, on down towards the south. These are sustained winds. How about the occasional wind gusts? These numbers down from yesterday, but still pretty impressive out there. 30 and 40 mile per hour wind gusts common across just about all reaches of the state. Maybe the numbers a little lighter up on the northwest plateau, but even there it's been somewhat of a breezy day. And when you combine the wind with the low relative humidity, you get prime real estate there for fires to start and spread quickly. That's why central, eastern, and southwestern parts of the state still under red flag warnings. This is until 8 o'clock tonight. At that point in time, the air cools enough that the relative humidity comes up some, and also by that time, the wind should diminish. Notice northern, northeast, that is, and east central parts of the state under a wind advisory until 7 this evening, and this kind of encompasses those areas where we did see the strongest of winds out there. As far as the wind is concerned, it's an area-wide occasion today. Warm to the south, milder to the north, but wind definitely being the mainstay of our Sunday afternoon forecast. Few showers passing through parts of Colorado, but really it appears that these showers are staying way to the north and won't have much of an impact on the area at all. So as we look ahead to our Monday, it's going to be a little less windy than today. Still kind of breezy out there. And the numbers, 70s across the north, 80s for highs in the mid part of the state, and 90s as you look on back down towards the south. Today, 82 the afternoon high in Albuquerque. That has been the number so far. The record's 100 for today, so we're well off that mark. 81 right now. Notice it's still kind of gusty out there. Winds west-northwest at 20. And while temperatures may show signs of being a little cooler to the north, for the most part, this Sunday has turned off to be a very warm day out there. And the same can be said for Monday as we kick off the new work week. Highs will be possibly into the low 80s up on the northwest plateau. We'll confine things to 60s and 70s in the high country of the northern mountains, with 80s up in the northeast and 90s as we make our way down to the south. Places like TRC, Deming, Las Cruces, Salamogordo, other side of the mountains, Artesia, Roswell, Hobbs, Carlsbad, all will be very toasty for our Monday, and temperatures stay like that for much of the week to come. Now, we will see the influx of a few more high-level clouds by late in the day tomorrow. That'll intensify as we roll on into Tuesday, but aside from those high clouds, I really don't see a lot in the way of any precipitation coming our direction. Therefore, a day-to-day warm-up is well within reach, and that's exactly what we're showing here. 77 tomorrow in Santa Fe, into the low to mid-80s as the week wears on. Notice Wednesday I painted a light shower. I'm going to toss that in for Santa Fe because of the elevation and the proximity to the mountains. Probably won't see those showers in Albuquerque, so we've got dry 7 days ahead of us. It's going to be kind of warm as well.
It's the right time of year for it.
Yes, it is.
Thanks, Jason.
Bye.